Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to add a background image. In my previous video we have seen how to change the color of the background and everything. Now we are going to see how to add a background picture. Okay, let's keep a picture of something. Okay, here you can see on top of this I have a picture of myself, Taliban.png. This is the picture. Okay, now I'm going to add this as a background of a web page. How to do that? Let's see how to do that. This is the pattern, our main pattern, and inside of this style, go to inside of the style and type body, because we are going to put the picture in the body curly bracket, and then we are going to put background image, background dash image, and then colon, and after that we have to put a URL. If you forget to put this URL, it doesn't work. So you have to put a URL and the image name. My image name right here is Taliban.png. So I'm going to type Taliban.png and close the bracket and then semicolon. That's it. Now let's go ahead and run this one. I open the web page. Okay, I run this thing, and here you can see I get the background right here. it's a very big, so if I expand this web page, it will extend. That's it for the background, and you can do so many things. Like sometimes if you choose a small picture of something, if you're opening a small picture, it might repeat multiple times. So to stop the repeating thing, you have to write background dash repeat, and then colon, no repeat, semicolon. Okay, now it doesn't repeat. Since my one is too big, I cannot see the repeating thing, and that's another thing. And also you can put the background in a different position. If you have a small picture, you want to put it in a 10 pixel right side and 60 pixel downside, something vertically, you can change it like this: background position dash position and then colon. X-axis is first thing, that's 10px, then y-axis is second thing, that's 60px, something like that, semicolon. It's going to change the background position. And instead of let's say you want to put the background position in the center, you can also put a percentage, like 50% meaning it's going to go to center. Put 50% in the first, so it's going to move the x-axis to the center. That's all you need to know about background picture. There are more to it. I maybe do it in the next videos. Thanks for watching. See you guys later, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you later.